How to use QuickBooks to create an invoice. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to easily create an invoice in QuickBooks. So first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to look over here on the left side. You have all our different features over here. Navigate to the sales option over here. You can either open the overview or you can navigate directly to the invoice over here. And as you can see here, we can create an invoice by simply clicking or clicking on create invoice over here. And then we will be able to see a form, as you can see. So basically, you're just going to select the customer you want to send it to, their email, then the billing address, of course. You have your terms, invoice date, due date, tags, and over here at the center, this is where you're going to put in your product or service that you're selling, and then the description, quantity, how much it is, amount, tax, and so on and so forth. And it will automatically have a computation over here. So after entering all the necessary detail, simply click on save and send, and the invoice will be sent to the customer that you want the invoice to. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.